Hi, everybody. This is Dr. Guidry, Professor of Criminal Justice, and just wanted to talk to you real quick about the three basic types of fingerprints. I mean, it's a little more complex than that, but right now we're just going to kind of stick to the basic three and kind of like that class characteristics. We're not so much concerned about the individual characteristics of each print because nobody has the same two prints, not that we're aware of. But when it comes to class characteristics, there's a commonality. We look at the whorl, the loop, and of course the arch. And a majority of the people or fingerprints out there are loops. It could be a single loop, it could be a double loop. It goes into a lot of other details. But some of you ask, like, well, what type of fingerprint? What type of fingerprint do I have when I compare these three? Well, there's an easy way to do that. And what I normally do is I take a little balloon, right? I tell people, just get a little balloon at your house and then find a little marker. And then what you want to do is you take that marker, marks a lot, and you mark your finger. Kind of get it real nice and, you know, a lot of ink on there. You want a lot of ink on there. And what you do then is you take that same balloon that you have here, and then what you do is you go ahead and press your finger on that balloon, which I'm doing now. See how that's going. And then what you do is you're going to have your fingerprint is right there. So now what you want to do is, I'm going to go ahead and put this down, is you blow that son of a gun up. And what you now see is your fingerprint. And based off of that, looks like I might have like a little whorl or something like that. It's kind of hard to tell, but I kind of got the tail end of it. But there is your or my fingerprint. Looks kind of like a tinted arch, but that's like the delta really. So if you want to try to find out if you got a whorl, arch, or a loop, then this is one easy way to do it. You just take that marker, mark up your finger, get a lot of ink on it, and then press it down on a balloon. Any color would suffice, and then blow it up, and then you can kind of see what type of fingerprint you have. There you go. All right, y'all stay safe and be careful out there. Bye.